eerily empty and strangely quiet.
We are not opening our beaches. It is not safe.
Governor shutting down all beaches. They don't know how long their beach will be closed.
Bonnie, we're going to Fulong today. You ready? Okay, let's go. So we are at Fulong right now. We have the sand sculptures over there. Very hot weather today. We're gonna get roasted. Summer has just started, so they have the famous sand sculptures over here. As you can see, we've got kind of an Egyptian theme going on. My favorite though is that guy over there. He's having a bad day. We're gonna go over to that section over there. It's a real weird time, and to even go to the beach is quite a privilege. Who's that? You guys made it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Purple cactus ice cream.
That's sweet.
Starbucks.
It is good.
I give this ice cream 3 out of 3 blondies.
Cheers. Got some interesting apparatuses over here. We're gonna go get some food now, and we say bye-bye to Fulong. Yo. Yeah, I think here we are at the restaurant. All right, well, we just got the fish that came out. Essential for a beach day. Fresh. Somebody's very hungry. Kitty cat.
So chill, like.
谢谢谢谢谢谢谢谢。
哦，你会讲台语哦？
有戏真的。
你是哪一国的？
我台北人啊。
台湾哦。
嗯。
啊，你是有混血到的？
对，原住民。
原住民。
嗯。
原住民这么帅？
哎，气势啊！
我也是原住民诶。
哎呀。
对啊。
哪一族？
啊，我不满族啊。
哦，我是阿多族。
阿多族。
拜拜。拜拜。Yeah, that's the boss. Lonnie, you like that AC? Can we blast it a bit more? Oh. What does it mean to be able to go to the beach in Taiwan right now when no one else can go to the beach in the world?
It's surreal, man, when you see all the Americans that can't do all this stuff.
It's also hard to really wrap your brain around because things haven't really changed here.
When it has affected you the least, you really have a hard time explaining, oh yeah, I just going to the beach, I'm going here, I'm going there.
Yeah, I've had family members ask me like, is Taiwan out of lockdown yet?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we never were.
Yeah.
It's hard to gauge, you know, how other people doing.
Does it make you like Taiwan more?
Yeah, pretty proud actually.
I'm glad that Taiwan's getting a little more recognition for how great it is because this is a very clear example of what Taiwan does right. Taiwan number one.
If I put this in the YouTube, then you get it blocked on Weibo.